Hello, I thought this might be helpful if you were looking for a way to get information out to your students that you read to them. So it could be something on a Word document that you have on your screen or really anything on your computer screen. So I will walk you through what it looks like to use Screencast-O-Matic. I've used it for a while. I love it. I already had an account, so if you don't have an account, you'll need to get an account, but it is completely free. So the first thing that you'll do after you have that, the next screen you'll see looks like this, and you'll go ahead and start the recorder, and then every time it's going to come up and say have a screen recorder launch, and so you'll go ahead and click the screen recorder launch. One of the things I also love about Screencast-O-Matic is if you mess up and maybe you've said something like me and I say too much or and too much, and you want to pause it and rewind and just cut a piece of it off, it does allow you to do that. So the next thing that you'll see will look like this, and it will be a record button, so you'll go ahead and press record. Once you have pressed record, then you can go ahead and read whatever is on your screen. So, good morning, welcome to Tuesday. I'm going to do my best to send a daily email with information you need. Thank you for your work in contacting family. So you would continue on reading everything that you needed the student to hear. Once you are finished recording, you will hit the Done button. The next thing you'll see is it'll give you these options. I usually save the video and upload it. The next thing you'll do, or is what I choose to do, is I upload it to YouTube. And then once you've published it to YouTube, I usually copy link because I've never really used it to upload it to the Google Classroom, but that is obviously one of the options. So you can copy the link or you can upload it into Google Classroom. So again, that's just a little handy tip for Screencast-O-Matic, and hopefully you'll find it helpful for you. I could think about our 504 or SPED kiddos who need accommodations. This might come in really handy, getting them some information that is orally read to them. We know that the parents can help do that as well, but this might just be an opportunity for us to provide another service to the parents.